Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. We get the sum of how much money do we have or medicines we intake all in all. Also, we total the numbers in the sequence. So let us start to discuss about the series. What is series? Series is the sum of all terms in a sequence. The symbol for the series is S sub n, and n is equal to the number of terms. What is finite series? It is the sum of the finite sequence. Can you identify the difference between finite sequence and finite series? The finite sequence have the first and the last term. So the example is 1, 3, 5, and 7. While the finite series is the sum of the finite sequence, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 that is equal to 16. In the second example, 11, 8, 5, and 2 is the example of the finite sequence, while the finite series is the sum of 11, 8, 5, and 2. So 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, and 24 plus 2 that is equal to 26. Find the indicated value for each series in the sequence 3, 6, 9, and 12. We need to add all the 8 term of the sequence. Before we get the sum of the 8 term, we need to complete the 5th, 6th, 7, and 8 term. Let us check the pattern. What do you think is the pattern of the sequence 3, 6, 9, and 12? Any idea? Correct. The answer is 3. The pattern is 3. We add 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15. That is the 5th term. Plus 3, 18. That is the 6th term. Plus 3, 21. That is the 7th term. Plus 3, that is equal to 24. If we total all in all, the answer is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. 30 plus 15, that is equal to 45. 45 plus 18, that is equal to 63. 63 plus 21, that is equal to 84. 84 plus 24, the answer is equal to 108. So the sum of the 8th term of the sequence is equal to 108. How about number 2 in the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10? What do you think is the pattern? Correct. The answer is 2. We add 2 from the first up to the second term. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Find the sixth term. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. If we add all, so 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 16 is equal to 72. 72 plus 18 is 90. And then 90 plus 20 is equal to 110. So the sum of the sequence is equal to 110. Find the sum of the first four terms of the sequence defined by S of n is equal to 2n minus 1. So the given is S of n is equal to 2n minus 1. We need to replace the value of n by 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get the sum of the first four terms. So the first term, we need to replace the value of n by 1, so that becomes 2 times 1 minus 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1, that is equal to positive 1. Replace the value of n by 2, so that becomes 2 times 2, negative 1 is equal to 3. How about the third term? So replace n by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. The fourth term, we need to replace the value of n by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. If we get the total of the sum of the first four terms of the sequence, so the first term is 1, the second term is 3, the third term is 5, the fourth term is 7. If we get all the total, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. Sum of the first four terms of the sequence is equal to 16.
Instruction: answer the following questions. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.